engineered for 4x4 performance and heavy-duty extremes. We turn your vision into high-performance reality. Precision-grooved ball studs for optimal grease distribution. Sintered greasable bearings for optimized durability and service life. Heavy-duty metal-to-metal bearings designed to evenly distribute extreme loads. Rigorously tested to ensure safety and peak durability. Full assembly coating for ultimate resistance in harsh environments. Manufactured with precision for dependable performance. Supporting global customers with flexible OEM and ODM solutions. Your trusted partner in automotive excellence. Great Auto Parts.